Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to free and open source AI video generator. So there is a tool LTX Studio which is AI text to video review. So I will be just show you how it works. So basically a LTX Studio is an AI driven platform that transforms written content into engaging video, and it's designed to streamline the storytelling process and making it accessible for creators at all levels. So I will be just tab on it like a new project and make sure you will have logged in. So after you will just give them like prompt or command and like explore Egypt world, and make sure you will just select it develop concept with AI, and you will just simply tab on it like next. So it will generating for you the storyline with the help of AI power text. So finally it will create alternative storylines for me. So you will just select it from here and you will just tab on it like simply next button for the next setting cast. So finally I will be on the setting cast. From here you will just select the cast, and you will also just like select the ratio like 16 by 9 or 9 by 16, and you will just choose the video style which is standard or cinematic or film horror or scribble, and you will just also style reference drag and drop image from here. And if I just tap on it like next, so this is the final step which is breakdown. So it will generating, so you will have wait for the moment. So it will be briefing in you like in scenes, scene 1, scene 2. So you will make sure you will have read it if you want, and otherwise you will just tab on it simply start. So finally video is ready. So you will just edit it like short 1, short 2, short 3. So if you want to like video short, this is the wide shot and this is the medium shot, this is the close up. And if you want to change it something, so you will just change it from the left like location, style, clothing and sound over. But right now I will be just tap on it to preview how it's view. So let's see. So the video is ready, you will see. So in this way you will use the free and open source AI video generator of using this tool which is called LTX Studio AI Text into videos. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.